I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I make my bed. I make my bed. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink some milk. I drink some milk. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I leave the house. I leave the house. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I arrive at the office. I arrive at the office. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I start my work. I start my work. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I go back home. I go back home. I read a book in the evening. I read a book in the evening. I eat dinner at 8 p.m. I eat dinner at 8 p.m. I go to sleep at 10 p.m. I go to sleep at 10 p.m.